Hey everyone, welcome back to another entry in the Armor tutorial series for Arrow version 6. For this video, we're going to discuss the advertising module. That advertising module is over here on our left bar. It's denoted by the diamond icon. And as you can see, we've got a couple pages to talk about. So we'll jump right into the dashboard. This dashboard will show you all of your available zones and how many advertisements are in them. Now, to discuss zones and advertisements, those are the two concepts for this module. Every advertisement needs to be applied to a zone. A zone is an HTML container that is sized specifically for those advertisements. So we're going to go ahead and add a zone. From this page, you can add a zone title, which is simply for bookkeeping. So we're going to call this one header ad. You can set the width and height of your advertisement right here as well, and the preview will actually adjust to account for that. So say we want this to be 200 pixels wide and 400 pixels tall, we can do that. I'm going to go ahead and make a zone here that is 800 by 200 so that we can do a nice banner image. So we're going to go ahead and save that. So as you can see, I've actually got another zone here. So we built our header ad zone, and there are a couple functions here. We can use this get shortcode function, which will bring up the shortcode that you copy and paste in order to put the advertisement on the page. We can edit it or we can delete it. So once we've created our zones, the next thing to do is to create an ad. Through the ad editor, you can add two types of advertisements, text or image. If you're doing image, you'll have an uploader here for content. If you're doing text, you'll have a text area. And this works basically the same way. A link to wherever you want to go. So say we're going to advertise armor text today. The title is going to be the armor text banner. And we're going to do an image, so a brief description of that image is just the armor text banner for advertising. We will upload an image here. We'll choose a zone to apply it to here, and then we'll give it a weight. The weight system allows you to sell advertisements on your website at different prices so that they show up at different frequencies. So the average weight is a 5. It's a weight of 1 to 10 system. And it takes the total weight of all of the ads inside of the zone and then does a mathematical calculation to determine which one pops up. So if you give something a weight of 10, it will show up more often than a thing with weight of 5, or even infinitely more often than something with a weight of 1. Once we've got all of that together, if you don't want to use the shortcode system from the zones, you can go to any of our fully featured WYSIWYG editors. For this example, I'm going to go to use the one in the Pages Manager. And inside of these WYSIWYG editors here, we have this widgets icon, the black cog. And from the widget selection here, you can see advertisement zone placement is the one we want. When you choose that, all you have to choose is which zone you want to use. Say we want to use the header ad one that we just made. And as you can see here, it implemented the shortcode right inside of our WYSIWYG editor. And when you load that page, this shortcode gets evaluated into that zone, and then it calculates which ad it's going to show, and then it puts that ad there. Every time the page is reloaded, the calculation for the ad will be redone. So I think that's it for the advertising module. If you've got any questions or feel like I've missed anything, please feel free to email us at support@armortext.com and we'll get you a little bit more information. We appreciate you guys consuming our content. You guys are the reasons that we get to do what we love to do on a daily basis. So thank you so much. And as always, stay awesome.